Step 1. Install first bottom guide and drill hole. Step 2. Install second bottom guide and drill hole. Step 3. Install top guide and drill hole. Step 4. Align side guide and mark area to be removed. Dremel out marked area. Keep cutting with your Dremel until you've connected both passageways that you drilled and clearanced all the material that you marked. Step 5. Install second top guide and mark the side bosses that need to be clearanced for the hose to come up through the side. Using a round bit, clearance out the side where the hose has to go. Using the top guide number 2 with the clearance block, test fit and clearance out through the hole. Doesn't have to be exact, but this just gives you an idea of where you need clearances. Test fit with the hose for clearance. It's going to be tight to the back of the valve, but as long as it fits into the recess and you can put the grips on, it should be good. Hose is going to go over to the side, then up. Step 1 of installing the gas through stock system. Unscrew your regulator from the original ASA and screw it into the ASA blank off. Push your hose down into the fitting and make sure it's locked in place. Then install it into the bottom of the grip frame. After routing the gas line through, reinstall the aluminium gas pipe and the valve in the top of the grip module. Pin it in place. Next step, reinstall the grips. Next step, install on body, making sure that the tube fits across the side at the back of the ID100 body. If you're putting it back on a EMF100 body, you will need a clearance to plastic at the back of the body. Install bolt system into your ID100 body, screw it fully in, and then remove the rear black glass reinforced nylon cap. The gas line is going to go up through this gap in the body and go to the adapter. You have to make sure the adapter is aligned, but that comes later on in the process. Align the hose in the fitting, then push the adapter forwards and put the bolt in from the back to lock it into the bolt guide. Tighten down 2 adapter screws, then everything's all installed.